Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a clean and decorate with me for Easter in the craft room, and this is the craft room. It's going to look a little bit different than the last clean with me. I have not been able to clean up in here as I just had my third baby and I didn't get a chance to clean up in here before she was born from the projects that I did before she got here. And then we've moved some things around, as you can see as well. There's now a baby swing in here, and I will show you her in a second. She's in there right now swinging as I show you the room. And we had to push things around to accommodate for my husband being home during this time of the virus, the COVID-19. He's able to work from home. He teaches music lessons, usually going to people's homes, but due to the work from home order, he's now teaching lessons online. So we needed to make room for him to do that. And there is the little baby girl that we just had. Her name is Avery, and we are so happy she's here, and we just love her so much. She's a cutie. And then up here, I took down the Valentine's Day decor, and I will be decorating these shelves for Easter at the end of this video. So here is my husband's piano for his lessons, and then he brings in his other instruments when he needs them to teach music lessons from home. So I'm very thankful he's home through this, and I hope things get better soon. But for now, we are sharing this craft room, and things are piling up. So I was just getting things back in order due to moving things around and accommodating the baby swing. My daughter is now with her dad having a nap while I film this. And just going through the piles and finding spots for things now that things have been moved around. Don't you wish you could clean this fast? This is super sped up, but we would get things done so fast if we could clean this fast. That would be super nice. So I was so glad to finally get this space cleaned up. We couldn't even walk in here due to some of the things in the way. So it was super nice to get it cleaned. And these are my wood-mounted stamps. I have a million of them. Maybe not a million, but it feels like it. They are all the $1.50 cheap stamps from Michaels, and one of these days I definitely need to go through them and just organize them better because they're just thrown in there. But for now, it works and it gets them out of the way, and we use them so often that it's hard to keep them clean in there. But I'm just glad that they all have a space to be. So as I decorate for Easter, Easter's going to look a little bit different this year. I don't know if you celebrate Easter or if you go to church on Easter, but for some of you, it's going to look different, and it's going to be weird not going to church. But I just want to throw it out there that church is not about a building. It's about the community that you're with. And Jesus isn't confined to the church building. He's everywhere, and he's with you in your homes. And he can be celebrated no matter what. And this Easter, as it looks different, just remember that and find joy in where you're at. And I know that our church has been doing online services, and there'll be an Easter online service. For me, I haven't been to church on Easter for many years just because our church doesn't offer kids services during church. So it's not too different for me, but I can understand how it would be hard. But just find community and reach out to somebody on Skype or something to have that community this Easter. I feel like we need God so much more during this time, and especially during Easter. So yeah, just cleaning off my son's desk and scrubbing off the paint And it was a very long process, and it's almost like a workout because it's so stuck on there. But the joy that painting brings him and creativity brings him, it's worth the cleanup. My oldest son, who loves to paint and be in the craft room with me, he just turned 5 on April 1st, so we had a fun little birthday party just with our household for him, with our kids, and I can't believe he's 5 already, but he's so creative and so smart, and we're just so proud of him. And once I get this desk all cleaned up, it's just so nice and clean and so fresh, and it's inspiring, and we're ready to go and to create something else until we need to clean it again, because it gets messy quite fast. So I'm just cleaning up my desk, and I had quite the piles going from before I had a chance to clean, and also just the recent projects that I've been doing for my channel. Since my husband has been home, I have been able to be in here a lot, or a little bit more than I expected to with a newborn. He's able to watch her or hold her while she sleeps if she needs it, and I'm able to get a quick break and film something or just be creative on my own. And it's been a real blessing through this time, and just finding me time in the midst of adjusting to 2 kids and just the changes in the world. So, and once I get this space all cleaned up, it's always so refreshing to me, and I just feel so inspired, and I just like, okay, what project can I do next? Because it's so clean and nice, and I just want to create in that clean space. And sometimes when I'm cleaning, it kind of looks like chaos as well. So I just pile things off to the side if I don't know what to do with them yet, or if I'm going to come back to them. But it eventually gets clean. I hope you are getting a lot of crafting time in during this time while we're at home. Hopefully things get better and we can go back to normal life, but definitely take this time to just do the things you love and stay happy and stay safe, and hopefully my clean with me video can motivate you to get your crafting space in order or clean if it needs that, or maybe it'll inspire you to clean other places in your house and declutter other places in your house. Do the projects that you haven't been able to do while you're at home. Make the most of this time. It's hard and strange to not be able to see people and all of that, but just make the most of this time. So I'm just going ahead and cleaning these shelves. Then I'm going to go ahead and clean, and this is a ornament stand that I've had for a while. I used to use it at craft fairs, and I just hung some disco ball Easter eggs, and then I got these little Easter treat things that are plastic, and they look like little chocolates. They are chocolate bunnies, but they are plastic, and I just thought they were super cute, so I went ahead and put them in the Faith Dream Create flower pots that I made. And then I used some little Bibles and prayer books on the top shelf there to prop up some decorations that you'll see here in a little bit. And I thought that that was appropriate for Easter, as it is a Christian holiday. And then our little blue truck is back, and this month I put some Easter eggs in there, colorful Easter eggs, and that little plaque there that I just showed you. I will show you at the end, but it says welcome friends, and I just want you guys to know that you're welcome at my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you a close-up of the decorations here. I love how these turned out. This is probably one of my favorite decorate with me's on these shelves since I've been doing these videos. I just love the funness and the colors. There's so many pops of colors in here. And yeah, this says welcome friends. You are welcome here. Thank you so much for all your support and for coming by. And I love this crafting community, as I've said in some of my other videos recently. I love the crafting community, and you are welcome here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and definitely leave me a comment down below. Tell me how you're doing right now. This is not an easy time, but we can get through this. We will get through this. So happy Easter, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.